I was asked to test and see if this dryer, this Kelvinator dryer, which I haven't heard of that name in a long time, so I would assume this thing is older than the hills and dirt itself. But it's been sitting in the garage, actually right there, for, I don't know, at least 3 years, maybe more. I can see some cancerous corrosion on the bottom of it. There we go. That's a little bit better. That's the kind of what's left of the drive motor itself. I did have to adjust the belt, and I had to bend this bracket up here, which is more or less like the idler pulley on an automobile. Still bent. That's going to need a new one. Anyhow, that's where the exhaust comes out of. And yeah, I'd say this has been rusted. And it's got holes through it. I don't think it's been pulled away from the wall. Just test it and see if it works. I stole some 220 from the panel on the other side of the wall, disconnected the compressor, and hooked this up instead, just to see if it works. And there aren't too many options on it. Must have been a cheap model. And here goes nothing. Doesn't sound too bad, but the thumping noise that it makes, and I apologize if there's any wind noise, I'm right next to the exhaust. Yep. If you look right there, you can see the drum has a dent in it. So that's hitting the fan as it goes around. The motor itself seems pretty fine. I'll probably pull that motor out and keep it. Doesn't look too bad. Inside, I'd say it's heating pretty good. I can feel the heat from here. I think that'll make you dizzy if you watch it for a while. I don't work on appliances too often, but that's another one of my hobbies. I'd say this one isn't worth the money to repair it, pull the motor, some of the other parts. That's about it. Thanks for watching.